In this video, we are going to discuss about heat and transfer of heat and the devices which are used to measure the heat. So let's get started. Hi friends, welcome back to physics classes. Today we are going to learn about heat. Now what is heat, how heat is formed and who discovered heat? Let's discuss about this. Heat is a transfer of kinetic energy from one medium or object to another medium of object. It means heat cannot be created or destroyed. It is just a transfer of energy from one medium to another medium. As you can tell that you can create the heat while rubbing the matchstick or by rubbing two stones. It's not creating heat. It's just activating the heat energy from any object. Heat is already produced in the every object, but what we do is we make the object rise, or we make the heat more activate in that specific object. Heat is a form of energy source. It is an energy source to a medium or an object. Now heat is very important to any human life. Now let's learn about transfer of heat. Heat flows from hot object to a cold object, or heat flows from an object with a higher temperature to other object which is at lower temperature. It means heat every time travels from higher temperature object. It means an object has 5 degrees Celsius and other object has 2 degrees Celsius. Then the object which has 5 degrees Celsius transfers heat. It has only some amount of heat, but that object transfers the heat from it to other object which has low, where these both combinedly make the temperature same. It in the mutually they both make the temperature same. This flow of heat from one object to other object is known as transfer of heat. Example, let's take an example. If you dip a steel spoon in a cup of hot tea, then you will find that temperature of spoon rises and it becomes hot. It means when you take a spoon and dip in a cup of hot tea, it becomes hot because there is a transfer of heat between cup of hot tea and the steel spoon. Then you will find that temperature of spoon rises and it becomes hot. In this case, some of the heat contained in the hot tea has been transferred to the spoon which is placed inside it. It means the transfer of heat will be in any two objects where one object has higher heat energy and one object has low heat energy. Here downside in the picture you can see that when candle starts burning, the whole rod and these temperature glasses are increasing their temperature. Here every time when heat is started, it spreads its heat equally in everything. Next, thermometer. Thermometer is a device that measures heat or temperature gradient. The degree of hotness or coldness of an object is known as temperature. Now, a thermometer has two important elements. First one, a temperature sensor. It means the mercury inside the glass. It is the common temperature or common thermometer which is used, where the common thermometer has mercury and other thermometer which is digital. It has two parts, that's temperature sensor and some means of converting it into numerical value. Here this temperature sensor shows the temperature from the mercury, where temperature is directly proportional to mercury, so that the temperature starts converting or temperature starts showing in the thermometer. Some of means of converting this change into numerical value. Example, the visible scale has marked mercury in a glass or thermometer, or digitally read in an infrared model. It means this digital thermometer also has mercury, where mercury shows some temperature which is converted into numerical value and shown in the digital thermometers. So thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. That's Study to IT. Have a great day.